This is why you need HTML. Have you ever looked at a website and wondered how it's made? Behind every website, there's a special language called HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the foundation of the web. An HTML document is like a recipe for a web page. Just as a recipe provides instructions on how to prepare a dish, an HTML document provides instructions on how to display content on a web browser. It is the backbone of any website, defining its structure and layout. It tells the web browser how to display the content. When a browser reads an HTML document, it interprets the tags and elements to render the page visually. This process is akin to following a recipe step by step to create a delicious meal. Each tag in the HTML document serves a specific purpose, much like each ingredient in a recipe. The document starts with a doctype declaration and an HTML tag. The doctype declaration is crucial as it tells the browser which version of HTML the document is using. This ensures that the browser renders the page correctly. Following the doctype, the HTML tag encompasses the entire content of the document, acting as the root element. Inside the HTML tag, there's a head and a body section. The head section contains meta information about the document, such as its title, character set, and links to style sheets or scripts. This information is not directly visible on the web page but is essential for the page's functionality and SEO. The body section, on the other hand, contains the actual content that users see and interact with, such as text, images, and links. Together, the head and body sections form the complete structure of an HTML document, ensuring that both the behind-the-scenes data and the visible content are properly organized and displayed. HTML uses tags to create different parts of a web page. Tags are like instructions enclosed in angle brackets. For example, the tag creates a paragraph. The tag creates a large heading. Paragraphs and headings help organize your content. Use tags to create paragraphs of text. Use tags to create headings of different sizes. Headings make your content easy to scan. Section 5. Links and Images. Bringing your page to life. In this section, we will explore how to make your web page more interactive and visually appealing by adding links and images. These elements are essential for creating a dynamic and engaging user experience. Links connect your page to other pages or websites. They are crucial for navigation and can guide users to additional resources or related content. By using hyperlinks, you can create a network of information that enhances the value of your website. Use the tag to create a link. The tag, also known as the anchor tag, is one of the most fundamental elements in HTML. It allows you to link to other web pages, files, email addresses, or any URL. The basic syntax is straightforward. Link text. The href attribute specifies the destination of the link. For example, if you want to link to a page called about.html, you would write About Us. When users click on this link, they will be taken to the About Us page. You can also use absolute URLs to link to external websites like this. The src attribute specifies the path to the image you want to display, and the alt attribute provides alternative text for screen readers and when the image cannot be displayed. For example, to add an image called logo.png located in the same directory as your HTML file, you would write, the alt text is important for accessibility and SEO, as it helps search engines understand the content of the image. You can also adjust the size of the image using the width and height attributes. For instance, we'll display the image with a width of 200 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. Additionally, you can use CSS to style your images and make them responsive, ensuring they look good on all devices. By combining links and images, you can create a rich, interactive experience for your users. Whether you're guiding them to more information or enhancing your content with visuals, these elements are key to bringing your page to life. Experiment with different types of links and images to see what works best for your website. Section 6. HTML Tables. Structuring data. Tables organize data into rows and columns. Use the tag to create a table. Use tags for rows and tags for cells. Tables are great for displaying information in a structured way. Section 7. HTML Forms. Interacting with users. Forms allow users to interact with your website. They are essential for gathering user input and can be used in a variety of ways to enhance user experience. Use the tag to create a form. This tag acts as a container for all the input elements that will be used to collect data from the user. Within the form tag, you can include various input elements such as text fields, radio buttons, checkboxes, and submit buttons. Each of these elements serves a different purpose and can be customized to fit the needs of your website. Use different input types like text fields and buttons. Text fields are used for single-line input, while text areas are used for multi-line input. Radio buttons allow users to select one option from a set, and checkboxes allow multiple selections. Forms can be used for contact forms, surveys, and more. Contact forms are a great way for users to get in touch with you, while surveys can help you gather valuable feedback from your audience. Once a form is submitted, the data can be sent to a server for processing. This data can then be used to update your website, send emails, or store information in a database. It's important to validate the data entered by users to ensure it meets the required criteria. This can be done using HTML5 validation attributes or JavaScript for more complex validation. Validation helps to prevent errors and ensures that the data collected is accurate and useful. For example, you can require that an email address is entered in a specific format, or that a password meets certain security criteria. In addition to validation, you can also enhance your forms with CSS to improve their appearance and make them more user-friendly. Styling your forms can make them more visually appealing and easier to use. By combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can create powerful and interactive forms that provide a seamless user experience. Whether you're collecting contact information, conducting surveys, or processing orders, forms are a crucial part of any website. Remember to always test your forms thoroughly to ensure they work correctly across different browsers and devices. This will help you identify any issues and make sure your forms are accessible to all users. In conclusion, forms are a vital tool for interacting with users and collecting data. By understanding how to create and manage forms effectively, you can enhance the functionality and user experience of your website. Section 8, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, a powerful trio. HTML provides the structure of a web page, CSS adds style and design, JavaScript makes the page interactive. Together, they create amazing web experiences. Section 9. Conclusion. Your HTML journey begins. HTML is the foundation of web development. It's a simple yet powerful language. Start experimenting with HTML and see what you can create. There are many online resources to help you learn more. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.